Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to tell you about my view on Tesla shares. So let's have a look at the chart. As you can see on the charts, I've got opened an Adobe shares, not Tesla shares, because I would like to start with this example, so to give a little bit of credit to the analysis and to what I'm talking about. So some of you might not be familiar with Ichimoku Kinko-hyo and analyzing markets through this philosophy, through this technique. So let me give you an example. This is, as I said before, this is Adobe shares, and let's have a look at my Sunday tweet. So on Sunday I made a tweet. This is exactly the same chart with the calculations using Ichimoku Kinko-hyo, the time theory and the wave theory. And as you can see from this chart, I predicted that from this day, from Monday, I mean that was Friday closing, and my Sunday or weekend analysis told me that we should be falling from now on. And I predicted the target V. So the target V at the 385.61, let's say 386 to be precise. And what happened on Monday? We can jump into our chart now, and we can see this is the live chart. That was the Sunday situation, or Friday closing situation. And you can see that Monday we got a beautiful fall, and on Tuesday there was another 5% fall. So we dropped over, let's see, it was 83, now it's 51, 93, so 40 something, 10%, almost 10%. And the prediction is that we will fall up to V, so over 20% fall on Adobe. And what signals do we get from analyzing this chart, except that there was a time theory, but I don't want to get too technical into it. So all you need to know if you are new to trading with Ichimoku is that when you have price below the clouds and the Chikou-span, which is the lagging span represented by this orange line, so basically this is the this is price representation in a line chart style 26 days before. So at this point on Sunday you could see that this was underneath the price from 26 days, and the time theory plus the Kumo, which is 26 days to the future, show me that we should be falling. Not only this, there is much more into that. There is the wave theory, the time theory, and because of what's happening with Adobe, because of what's happening as well with NVIDIA, whereas this is the weekly, what's happening here, what's happening on the daily chart, we can see the same scenario here. So we've got the lagging span below the price, we are getting into the Kumo, we are below the Kijun. And if we have a look finally into Tesla shares, which I promised you at the beginning, we can see that Tesla shares are very expensive right now, and we are after quite a lot of movement up. So we had one wave breaking through the Kumo, then massive impulse up, reverse, then another impulse up, consolidation, and finalizing movement. And if we have a look at the chart right now, And why am I talking about Tesla? Because I know that a lot of you are interested in Tesla. Of course, Adobe, it's a beautiful setup, but I don't think many of you are trading Adobe. So Tesla is something very popular, and I know I can see on a lot of forums that people are very much into buying Tesla, into buying Apple. So I want to tell you, be careful, because I see that new traders are jumping in and they buy what they know. And what they know, the shares that everyone is talking about. But be careful with buying them right now, because I think they might fall, and they might fall heavily, even up to $200. So 50%. So if you invest 10,000, if you will end up with 5,000. And if you use the leverage enough, if you use the leverage 1 to 2, it will wipe out your account. So please be careful. So here is my analysis. Tesla again, Chikou below the price, as well the third day already, just like Adobe. What happened? We open and close below Kijun. It's very important, this line. Our cloud into the future, for now it's very narrow. It's turning into the downside cloud as well. So what might happen? What we need to look at for now? To price close below the Kumo, and then we should see further fall. So please be careful, guys. I think it's the end of the year, and imagine all the smart money, all the investors, that they know what they are doing. Look at this movement. We can maybe get into the weekly charts so you can get better understanding. Imagine that people who have money, who have information, who can trade markets professionally, they all loaded here. They didn't load here, they loaded here. It's end of the year. They want to take their profits. So now when everyone is talking about Tesla, when Tesla is having amazing third quarter, everyone is talking how much money Tesla is doing, how good they are, that they are making deals with China, that you should be investing in Tesla. So this is information for you to buy it, so they've got someone to sell it to. You understand? If you want to sell it here, if you bought it here, you made loads of money. Now you need people, you need retail to buy it from you, so you can sell it. So you might be buying all this good news here. If this news were so good, the Tesla should be shooting up. They are not, because someone is selling to you, selling to you, selling to you, selling to you. And in my opinion, of course this is all my opinion, this is not a trade advice, I'm not qualified advisor, this is just my opinion. So please, I don't want to take responsibility for your trades. But be careful with buying Tesla. Me personally, I will be opening short positions on this share. So let's have a look as well at the US 30. I think this might be interesting. Look at that. We are in a similar situation here. Sorry, the technology 100. So we are in a very similar situation here. We've got a nice triangle, false breakouts, and if we get below, that means there is a big chance of falling up to 9,757, somewhere around this area. So remember these numbers, pay attention to what's going on here. and be careful. It's the end of the year, and after all these beautiful moves, there might be some profit taking. The same at TripAdvisor. Look what happened. I was talking about TripAdvisor breaking through the cloud, that we are consolidating here, accumulating here, that there will be good news. There is a vaccine. So vaccination, very good news. What's happening? They are shooting up. And look where we were before. The prices were $60. If we go back, the prices of this share were $110. So there is a lot of room for TripAdvisor to go up again. This is very, very, very cheap. Look at this one, $13.60. It's nothing. It's 10% of what it was, and it's already 100% from this bottom. So this is just the beginning. It should be going up. And guys, if you like what you see, because I can see a lot of people just guessing, they are trading based on emotions, based on, I don't know, somebody's opinion. Use Ichimoku as an indicator. You know where you are on the market, if you are in a buying zone or in a selling zone. So buy when there is time to buy, sell when there is time to buy, to sell. Not when they want you to buy because they need someone to sell to. If you are looking for information about Ichimoku, just join my free Ichimoku course, even free trading course as well, no charge. I don't even need your email address, just enjoy it. I will leave the link down below this video. So this is it, guys. I've got much more analysis. Be careful with the gold and silver as well, they're going down. So have a good one, enjoy the trading.